Okay, we're gonna visit our grandma today again. Oh, I miss her so bad. This scary might still follow me, but I don't care. She's gonna close the door to the room. Yeah, she closed it, like always. Now, let's keep walking. Wow! Yeah! Learn how to walk! Walk! Ah, now she did it again. Now we should keep walking instead of taking care about this mess. I hate this car. Let's go. I'm excited to meet my beautiful grandma. Oh, and grandpa. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's open the door. Grandpa, not again. Please, please, please. We can talk about this. Right? Right? Go talk about this. Huh? Where am I? Wait, it can't be real. Where am I? Grandma! 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 Wait! Wait, wait, wait! Grandma, listen to me! Grandma! No! Grandma? You changed so much. Where is your butt? And what the fuck is that? Hey, Grandma, we really need to talk about this. Wait. Grandma is a human! Oh, yeah, baby! I'm gonna drink water to face this. You became a human! And wait, why are you so short? Wait a second. Wait! No way, I'm a cat! Oh my god! I can cook food? Oh yeah, I can cook food. Yeah, baby. Grandma, you're gonna see one of the best food you will ever see of your life.
Not me.
What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Anyways, you're gonna see a pro chef cooking real food. You cook trash, but I cook real food.
Hey everyone, I just have to share.
Oh yeah, let's cook food again. Let's pick this knife. Let's go there. No! Yeah! Bro, chef! You have to cook 4 times, but I have to cook it 1 time! Let's cook this. Let's put it in the marmite. Ah! Yeah, good. Let's put the tomato. Okay, now let's burn. Let's see which one is correct.
Monkey. The darn of a monkey.
Okay, the tomato is burning in the casserole. Wait. No! All peppers are sweet for stupid tomatoes. Let's put tomatoes. No! Let's ignore this. Let's better ignore this. Grandma, time to eat! Come eat your favorite vegetables, tomatoes. You love tomatoes, right? Huh? Come eat it. Grandma! Grandma! Oh, she's not coming! Grandma! Wait, who's that?
Monkey. The darn of a monkey.
No! Grandma, wake up! Ah! Grandma, wake up! And what the heck is this? Wait! You hate me? Ah! Come there! Ah! That's it! Wake up! Wake up! I'm disappointed! Wake up. Stupid grandma. You don't want to eat your food? How impolite you are.
Right, buddy.
Always annoying at this point. Grandma, what are you doing with this? Grandma, put this down, please. Please, Grandma, we used to be friends. Wait.
Hey,
What the heck
what is
is
she
this?
all red?